Hello, I'm Martin, and along with Chris, we created Integra Planner. Thank you for taking the time to consider how Integra can help you, and I will aim to lift the curtain on the capabilities of Integra, a comprehensive solution for event planners. The one thing we all know is the vast amount of data for a small event. And here we put together some details about a small two-day event we ran at St David's Hall in Cardiff. So instead of Excel spreadsheets or a range of free programs, all your data can be collated into one integrated system. So we're always available to all users and accurate and up to date, with the maximum data input that leaves you free to manage and organize your event. It's far more than a registration system. We offer a complete solution for the whole life cycle of your event, from the initial planning to the delivery and the tidy up. Yes, it's an adaptable event management tool and can help you with all sorts of events, from festivals, meetings, conferences, exhibitions, competitions, and even member associations. As an event organizer myself for over 30 years, and I organize many different types of events, and we mostly use Excel spreadsheets and chased around for the latest versions. What I wanted most of all was to stay in control of all the elements and all the data was accurate and readily available. In 2009, we organized a 4-day music festival using every space at the South Bank Centre in London, Europe's largest arts complex, with 60 choirs from 14 countries, 2,000 singers, 50 major concerts, 150 other social events, workshops and activities, and 10,000 attendees over the 96 hours of this 4-day event. It was one unforgettable long weekend. And together with Chris and his 25 years of IT experience, that's when we created Integra, the comprehensive event planner that helps you. It was created to ensure continuity across the whole life cycle of your event. Users, we create the Integra system for you, and users sign in and log in to input data that you sort, manage, and use. There's a range of modules all included in the contract based on the number of users registered in the system. All data connecting and interconnecting, all safely backed up. So let's have a look at one of the major building blocks when you first start creating your event. The daily planner. You input the data about buildings and spaces into the daily planner system. And from this, you can create and edit events and activities like meetings, exhibitions, conferences, a performance, a dressing or waiting area, an exhibition area, whatever is happening. You allocate times and people and the details of each time step by step of that activity in each space. Later, we're going to drill down to see the level of complex additional details you can store about each event. And coordinated color-coded palette of different categories of events is standardized across the Integra system and app for intuitive identification and navigation. You can filter to view, print and download and manipulate all reports, whatever you need live from the system. Now we're going to take a quick look at the event calendar. Note there's help on every page here and easy to navigate tabs and menus around the system. You can choose a dark or light theme, that's white on black or black on white, configured in My Account. Each user has their own account and personalized dashboard. You set what data can be accessed by each group of users: your team, staff, volunteers, customers, clients, and venue staff. You can view stats on your dashboard with meeting and other useful data. You can download reports from anywhere at any time. Always live, always accurate, and always available. So let's have a look at the registration facilities that we offer. You configure a range of items to buy and order. Participant groups, companies, organizations can order, buy, and pay for a whole range of things: space, advertising, tickets, meals, merchandising. Questionnaires creation allows you to ask questions and to gather additional information that you might want or need. Unwanted items can be resold, admin free, through our self-service marketplace. And all of this is linked to your payment provider, all automated with confirmation emails. Integrated with downloadable reports on transactions, financials, sales, stock reports, etc. So managing through Integra. Organizers, managers, supervisors, and team leaders can organize and manage you and your team, staff and volunteers, venue staff and technicians. They'll all use the app to know when and where to be and what to do. In the system, you can check stock levels. You can set up spaces with complex technical planning, with reports fully accessible for venues and technicians direct from the live system. Let's take a quick look at one of those simple production reports. So here you can see that you can view and download this report from the system, and it's a complex space setup and technical details. It includes things like the furniture and room setup, the sound and lighting, and full programming information with timed cues for each of these activities. The Integra app queries all of this data, so no more out-of-date spreadsheets. It's always live, always accurate, and always available. So the Integra app, all of your event data in your pocket for use through the setup of your event, the event itself, and the close down. The Integra app draws live data from the system so all users can see what's going on, where and when they need to be during your event. You can schedule offers with options to plan, view, and stay in touch with a range of different users, staff, venue, or the public. Integra does the job and more. The app comes free and is available for all devices. Companies and sponsors can be recognized and even buy advertising in the Integra system and app. App users can easily access and save detailed, complex information about events, favorite data, and by signing in, they can create their individual schedules with saved notes. Share and review and receive notifications from organizations, from their own groups and organizations, and they can provide feedback on any event. So, as an event organizer, I know that it's the small things that make the difference to make your day easier and your events to run smoother. That's why we listen to you. We give you regular help and support, and that's included in the contract. We include task and meeting management and store supplier details. There's a discussion chat facility, and we also have a file and image library. Our key job is to enable you to stay in control and to manage your events and data easier. We touched on this earlier, that you set the permissions in the system for each category of user, so you remain GDPR compliant, and users get what they need and input the data you need to plan and run your events. We work with you through induction and provide ongoing support and help to get the best use of Integra. It's flexible and adjustable and with some customization options. And we listen to you, and this informs our continual development to meet your future needs. If you'd like a demonstration, or you want to ask some more questions, or just talk about signing up, please get in touch. On our website, integraplanner.com, on social media, #integralplanner. You can read about us also in our blog, and you might find some articles there that are quite interesting. Thanks for taking the time to consider how we can help. If you want to know more, please drop me a line or call Martin. The details are on the website integralplanner.com. Thank you for listening and have a lovely day.